Okay, so I'm going to do number 19 from the practice problems that were posted to Edmodo. So the problem is Shayna's school is selling tickets to a spring musical. For the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 2 adult tickets and 14 child tickets for a total of $72. The school took in $60 on the second day by selling 4 adult tickets and 7 child tickets. What is the price of 1 adult ticket and one child ticket? So first we have to figure out what variables that we are going to use. I'm going to use X and Y and what they're going to represent. So I'm going to use X and Y. X to represent the cost of 1 adult ticket and Y to represent the cost of 1 child ticket. So now we need to figure out what the 2 equations are going to be. They're both going to be in standard form. So the first one, it said for the first day they sold 2 adult tickets, and so X is the cost, is the variable for the adult tickets. So 2X plus Y, which is the variable for child tickets, and they sold 14 child tickets, so 14Y equals 72, which is the amount of money that they made that day. And so for the second day, it said that they sold 4 adult tickets and then 7 child tickets equals not 72, equals 60. Sorry, drew a blank. So we could go either 2 ways with this. We can use substitution or elimination. I'm going to go with substitution because that's what I prefer. So I'm going to take this problem, 2x plus 14y equals 72. Now normally you want to choose the one with a variable of 1, but since we don't have that and 2 is the lowest number, we're going to use that one, and 2 obviously goes into 14 and 72 with no problem. So we're going to subtract, we're going to go minus 14y from both sides, and then we get 2x equals negative 14y plus 72, since it's positive and there's no negative sign there. Sorry, it's a little blurry, but it'll work. So now we're going to divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2, divided by 2. This is going to be negative 7y plus 36. That equals x. So now there's that problem. Now we're going to take this and plug it into this problem over here. Okay, that's a really bad arrow. Okay, there we go. So now it's going to be 4 times negative 7y plus 36, close parentheses, plus 7y equals, yep, I got that right, equals 60. So now 4 times negative 7 is 28, negative 28, because it's negative 7, negative 28y, plus, so, and then 4 times 36 is going to be 144, and then plus 7y equals 60. Now I like to add together the 2 common coefficient ones before I do anything else. So you put those 2 together and you get negative 21y plus 144 equals 60. Ta-da! Okay, so now we're going to subtract 144 from both sides, minus 144, and here we get negative 84 equals negative 21y. Divide both sides by negative 21, and here we get 4. Wow, big numbers equal tiny number. What is this? Okay, so the cost of child tickets now we know is, because we said that y is the cost of 1 child ticket, so now we know that a child ticket costs $4. So child ticket is $4. Yay! Okay. So now that we know what this costs, now we need to find out how much it is for one adult ticket. So now we're going to take 4 and plug it into any of these problems. So either this one, or where is it? This one. Now I'm going to use this one since it already solved for y, and we can just, solved for x, and we can just plug 4 into here. So that's going to be x equals -7 times 4 plus 36. So -7 times 4, we did this before already, is -28 plus 36 equals x. -28 plus 36 is 8. So now we know that an adult ticket costs $8. So now we're going to write that over here. Adult ticket costs $8. So for this problem, number 19, the answers are one child ticket costs $4 and one adult ticket costs $8. So what we did is we made two standard, right? I think so. Equations, and then we used substitution to solve it. So we used, oh my goodness. So yeah, we used substitution, plugged this into here. And then we went down, did our whole problem PEMDAS things, got y equals 4, and then we plugged 4 into our x equals problem, and then we got 8, and then ta-da, you got a nice bit of work for answers. So thank you for watching, and I hope you got something from it. Bye!